In a world that continues to develop rapidly in the digital era, innovation in the crypto world is increasingly dominating the conversation. One of the prominent projects that has created a huge buzz is PiNetwork. Recently, PiNetwork released a revolutionary feature that is making waves in their community, Pi Store. In this article, we'll explore in depth the 10 countries where the Pi Store can now be found. This is a major milestone on the road to acceptance and adoption of the Pi coin digital currency. 1. Vietnam, a country rich in culture and history, is also one of the first countries to welcome the Pi Store with enthusiasm. With Pi Store, Pi users in Vietnam now have access to a variety of products and services that they can easily purchase using Pi coin. Vietnam's tech-friendly and increasingly digitally connected society has taken great strides in adopting digital currencies as part of their daily lives. 2. Indonesia. Indonesia, an archipelagic country with a large population, has a strong Pi network community. With the presence of Pi Store, users in Indonesia can now explore various shopping options that they can enjoy with their Pi coin. This is a major step in encouraging digital currency adoption among a population that has diverse needs and interests. 3. Nigeria, one of the largest countries in Africa, has responded positively to the presence of Pi Store. Users in Nigeria can now access a variety of products and services using Pi coin. This is an example of how PiNetwork is expanding its impact across continents and bringing economic benefits to communities that may not have previously had access to similar financial solutions. 4. India, with its huge population and fast-growing economy, is a very promising market for crypto. With Pi Store, users in India can now shop more efficiently and enjoy the benefits of the Pi ecosystem. India also has an active Pi network community, which actively participates in the growth of the ecosystem. 5. Philippines. The Philippines is one of the countries in Asia that already has a strong Pi user base. Pi Store opens opportunities for users in the Philippines to shop with Pi coin and supports the Pi network ecosystem. The Philippines is an example of how digital currency can seep into people's culture and daily lives quickly. 6. South Korea. South Korea, one of the world's leading technology centers, has responded positively to the presence of the Pi Store. Users in South Korea can now explore various shopping options with Pi coin, which is an important step in supporting the development of blockchain technology and digital currencies in the country. South Korea's technologically advanced society is an example of how crypto innovation can be quickly accepted. 7. China, with the world's largest population, is a huge potential market for PiNetwork. Pi Store opens up opportunities for users in China to use Pi coin in their daily transactions. Even though China has strict crypto regulations, the crypto community in the country continues to thrive and contribute to the growth of the Pi ecosystem. 8. Iraq, a country in the Middle East, is one of the countries where the Pi Store is present. Users in Iraq can now shop with Pi coin and become part of the growing Pi network ecosystem. This is an example of how digital currencies can benefit communities in various regions, including those that may be affected by economic challenges. 9. United States. The United States, one of the countries with an active Pi network community, welcomed the launch of Pi Store. Users in the United States can now use their Pi coin to shop at stores and businesses participating in the Pi network ecosystem. This is an important step in expanding the reach of Pi network and allowing users in the United States to experience its benefits. 10. Malaysia, a country in Southeast Asia with a rich culture and rapidly developing technology, is one of the countries where Pi Store has a presence. Users in Malaysia can enjoy a variety of shopping options with their Pi coin. Malaysia is an example of how digital currency can become an integral part of the economy and people's daily lives. Pi Store impact, the future of crypto. The launch of Pi Store in 10 countries is clear evidence of the development and growth of the PiNetwork ecosystem. This provides an opportunity for Pi users to be more active in using their digital currency in everyday life. This also expands PiNetwork's impact globally and brings economic benefits to various communities. However, Pi Store has also had a more profound impact on the development of crypto as a whole. This shows how digital currencies like Pi Coin can be an effective means for transactions and shopping in the real world. In recent years, digital currencies have become increasingly popular as a legal form of payment, and Pi Store is one clear example of how blockchain technology can open,